Oh, andito pala kayo. Welcome sa Lyora Homes Naik. Ito pala ang Amora House model na merong 50 square meter na lot area at 44 square meters na floor area, provision for 1 car garage, 1 toilet and bath, and provision for 2 bedrooms. Tara, i-house viewing ko kayo. Pasok! $11,000 to $16,000 monthly, available through bank and Pag-ibig financing. I'm your licensed real estate broker, Prince Aldrin. Message us now. See you!